I literally wasted 2 or 3 months, I think.
So, what exact challenges which you have found it, Sai? Why specifically Kodestree?
Kodestree offers both the theory and practical, our own practice, our own hands-on. And after the theory classes, so it is widely used by banking. There are some of the challenges.
How often you were practicing on DevOps?
If we learn the hands-on, we can understand the procedure, we can understand the flow. 10 to 15 days I got to know that here we can learn it is very unexpected and very excited. So in this competition, so it was very great. Now I am very confident that I can learn any tool, any technology. So first they have to choose the right path, sir.
Consistency is important, and based on your interest you have to showcase. Hi everyone, welcome to Kodestree channel. From being a fresher to cracking a 5 LPA package, most people struggle for months, sometimes years. But here we have Sai Manoj, he did it. So let's break down exactly how he did. Please tell me about yourself, Sai Manoj, your background, your college, city, what exactly your background is. Yes, over to you, Sai Manoj.
Yeah, sir. This is Sai Manoj. So I have completed my studies in Savita School of Engineering, so in Chennai. So I have took the branch of CSC, and I have completed this course, and then I have joined Kodestree. So for the DevOps course. So from there, I have learned the concept and what we call so practical thing of the DevOps. So yeah. So after completing the college, so I was thinking, so what to join, what to do next. So I literally wasted 2 or 3 months, I think. So and then after researching, after thinking, so I've joined the DevOps course in the Kodestree technology.
Okay. So while choosing any sort of institute or some sort of things relevant to, like, now I have to learn something specifically for the real world, how exactly which I have to found it. So what exact challenges which you have found it, Sai, to research about, like, where exactly I need to join before joining to Kodestree?
Yeah, after completion of the college, I came to Bangalore. So I came to my brother's house. I came there and thinking what to join, where to join. But my brothers were, I think, researched about 2 or 3 institutions. So before joining the Kodestree, and then I thought, no, this is not correct institutions so to join. And then after because of my friend, I got to know about this Kodestree. So he said like they will teach very good concept, they are very experienced.
Okay, perfect. So, when you were in this period, so did you try from yourself also somewhere with the course or with the free course or YouTube also? Like, let me try on your own, something like that?
Yeah, including the classes of the Kodestree, I already I researched the YouTube. I searched the DevOps course, what is the course is about, what is Linux. So yeah, I got to through the YouTube also.
Okay. So you were mentioning, right? Moreover, you did research, and then based on the decision, once your friend suggested you, like, you can go with the course. So I just want to exactly know why specifically Kodestree. What exactly triggered you that, okay, from here only I'll learn.
The Codestree offers both the theory and practical things, sir. So mainly the companies, the interviews, they will ask about what you did on your hands-on. So mainly Codestree offers the hands-on concepts. So by the way, we can do the our own practice, our own hands-on. So yeah.
Great. And you were mentioning, right, coach team moreover working on the hands-on, and you are also getting the theoretical knowledge. So, what exactly your learning experience with coach team? What sort of learning you get it, and that sort of things, right?
Yeah, so mainly the trainer Ranjit sir is very experienced. So he's so talented. So first of all, thanks to Ranjit sir and yourself. So for teaching the very good theory. So and after the theory classes, Ranjit sir will tell us to do more practical, do more hands-on, so that you can get the idea. So what the architecture looks like, so what the infrastructure looks like. So it helps me a lot. So by that hands-on.
Okay. And in your learning period, Sai, so have you created any project?
Yeah, sir. In the Linux, we have deployed a real world project called ArcSight product. It is a real world product actually. So it is widely used by banking. So yeah, that was the project Ranjit sir gave us.
So, Sai, did you face any challenge while working on that sort of project related to that specifically? How exactly things work on the real world front?
Yeah, sir. There are some of the challenges. So I got, and yeah, after that I came to Ranjit sir and told about the issue. So and then sir said, so do like this, do go in this way. So yeah, like that I have done.
And Sai Manoj, if I ask, like on a daily basis, how often you were practicing on DevOps?
Yeah. Firstly, after completion of the class, so the next day I'll listen the class again, sir. So to get the more knowledge, so more base. And after listening the class, so I will do the practical. So if I say that time, minimum 3 hours, or yeah, minimum 3 hours I'll spend on the previous day class, so previous day learning.
And how exactly this hands-on learning change your confidence?
Yeah, sir. If we learn the hands-on, we can understand the procedure. We can understand the flow of the real world projects, real world companies. So what outside is going? Yeah, like that way I understood.
Okay. And when you are in your learning period, Sai, so when did you actually when did you actually got it? Like now I got it. Now I can do this like on my own, all sort of stuff.
Yeah, from the first few days I got to know that so yeah, here I can learn more infrastructure, more architectural wise I can learn here. So yeah, I got to know that from the first few weeks, 10 to 15 days, I got to know that yeah, here we can learn the theoretical part and moreover hands-on part.
Okay. And just Sai, very curious to know like how exactly the moment you got selected. Just please tell us about that moment too.
It was great actually. It is very unexpected and very excited. So after seeing the offer letter, I was very happy. Me and my family was very happy. For a fresher, it was very happy, sir. In this wide range of students, so in this competition, so it was very great.
Yes, and if I say like many people are still working on this package as a working professional, and as you joined as a fresher with this much package, so how do you feel when you got 5 LPF offer?
It was very great, sir. I was very happy by seeing the 5 LPA. For a fresher, it is very huge current market.
Perfect, perfect. Changes you have found it from the day when you joined from Kodestree and then now. What changed from day one to now?
Yeah, from the starting, I gained more experience. So from the starting days, I was nothing like I don't know anything. I don't know the flow, the architecture. I don't know nothing about DevOps. So from day one, it was increasing step by step, step by step. So yeah, like this way. Now I'm very confident that I can learn any tool, any technology, and I can survive in the market.
Perfect, perfect, right? So after listening your sort of experience, so just want to know like what would you say to someone who is completely confused right now? How exactly? Because already you achieved that sort of success. It's an initial success and it's a very huge success, right? So if you want to give any suggestion to the confused people, so what would you say to someone?
So first they have to choose the right path, sir. So they should not go to the according to the people, or like my brother said this, my relative said this. So you should not go like the way. So you should go on your basis, your interest, and once you get into that, you have to be very confident, very what to say. You have to be continuity. Continuity should be there, sir. There should be no delay, no gaps in between the learning.
Perfect, perfect. So you mean to say that consistency is important, and based on your interest, you have to showcase that okay, this way or this sort of learning I am looking for, and I have to do the research in that perspective. Am I right?
Yes, yes, sir. Right.
Perfect, perfect. Sai, like it was a great interaction with you, and yeah, people learned from you a lot today. And yeah, many, many
Yeah.
congratulations for this moment.
Thank you,
And
sir.
we wish you many, many success for the future also. Thank you.